So back at the Markeri job on the Gold Coast in Mermaid Waters. It's on a Friday, it's 20 degrees, and it looks like winter is on a Friday this year on the Gold Coast. It's got the Hebel cladding, continue with the archways in this carport as well, so they'll be framed up and then smoothed off, just with like a render. Have a look through. So I've got all the doors and everything here ready to go. It's all gyprock, sanded, painted. Come on. Come on, come on. More archways.
Hey mate.
Hey wait. Hey Doug. The front doors. This is the guest bedroom. Office. Got the staircase. And more corners, curves, nicely rounded. This is the master wing down here. It's got great views of the canals and up to the casino, but obviously you can't see them today. So you've got the curved walls and the archways. And it's masked off and screened off at the moment for the painting. But, there we go, you actually get through to the, so that's the walk-in robe. And the ensuite. And you've got the extra bedrooms down this way. So there's a balcony out there, looking up the canals. Oh, there we go. Hey! Oh yeah. I won't stand on anything. So, this one. So they've all got like a little, can't really see it, but it's a walk-in robe and an ensuite. And arch windows. Let's go back downstairs. So, kitchen area, living area, stacking sliders, barbecue. All the flooring's down, which I think is a herringbone sort of pattern, but we'll have a look next time. And then you can see, oh wow, all the waterproofing's down around the deck area. More curves, butler's pantry. Best part of the house is the wet bar, looking out. Ooh, I don't know if we'll walk on that. Yep. Wait, can I walk on this?
Yeah.
Cool. Come on, Cindy, up, up, up. So this is all Hebel flooring, this is concrete. Nice glass balustrading. From this angle, kind of looks like it was built in the 70s, but looks amazing. Right down to the bronzed coloured on the sliding doors. So big stacking sliding doors. More arches. You know, this is about maybe 6 months into the build at Markeri Street, maybe less. It's just on the finishing touches now, and it's certainly looking amazing.